I'm Callum Rodia, and this is Sudbury.com's Throwback Thursday. This is the 10th episode of Throwback Thursday, and after 10 episodes, you may be wondering why we shoot each week's episode in what looks like a storage closet. Well, it's actually the Sudbury.com Northern Life archive room, which we affectionately call the morgue. It's the perfect backdrop for our weekly historic series, plus it has pretty good lighting and a nice acoustic quality. These days, it's easier than ever to look down on a city from above, whether it's on Google Earth or through the explosion of affordable drone technology. But it wasn't always that easy. So this week, we've dug up some old photos from our own archives showing how Greater Sudbury has changed over the years. Now, they were all shot the old-fashioned way, either in an actual aircraft or by climbing up to the top of a really tall hill. Take a look in this week's episode of Sudbury.com's Throwback Thursday, in which, this being the year of Canada's 150th anniversary, we celebrate a little bit of Greater Sudbury's history. Well, there you have it. As you can see, the bird's eye view of Greater Sudbury has changed a lot over the years, from the scattered mining town with its black hills and rough terrain, to the city of over 160,000 that we know today. Thank you very much for watching, and tune in again next week for a brand new episode of Throwback Thursday. For Sudbury.com, I'm Callum Rodia.